Here are the top 3 AI tools that can help you earn up to $500 per month online in 2026, even if you're just starting. Number 1, ChatGPT. Use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, and social media content for clients. Many freelancers are earning daily by offering AI writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 2, Canva. Canva's AI tools can create thumbnails, Instagram posts, resumes, and business designs in minutes. You can sell these designs or offer content packages to small businesses. Number 3, 11 Labs. This tool creates realistic AI voices for YouTube videos, ads, and audiobooks. Faceless YouTube channels are booming right now, and creators pay for high-quality voiceovers. The best part? You only need a phone, internet, and consistency to start. Follow for more AI money-making ideas and online